Alright guys, now it's time to change this lens. This lens is 1545 mm. Yes. So I'm going to change this one. I'm going to buy a new one, that 1122. So this is going to be the last video from this lens, but the camera body will be the same. And we're just going to change the lens. So let's see the new lens. Hello guys, this is BK, your friend from Panda Riders, and welcome to my channel. Today it's Sunday, and right now I am here at one of the most famous touristic area that calls Kwanzai Alley.
Trying to find the peace in me. I wanna be
Thank you.
来，里面前1个小时要看表演，今晚上最后一场啊，最后一场免费。来，品尝上成都的小吃啊，这里是粉蒸肉、蒸饺都有啊，过来看一下嘛，了解一下成都小吃啊。广角的可以。
Yes, the good one. Okay, now let's change. Let's put this lens on that one, and that lens give it to him. Okay?
Okay.
Filter on that one. This is the UV filter. He gave it to me for free. Thank you.
我来，要清洁一下。
OK. OK， 这个改改有没有这种另外一个改改？
哪种？我看一下。
就这一般的改改。
这没有，这是原装的。
我知道，这个原装的坏了怎么办？
那你开个票。
好。OK， 谢谢老爷，拜拜。Now this one is here. Put this one in the pocket. This one here. So, what do you think of this new lens, Amun?
Oh, it's perfect. You know, it's wide angle and you
Awesome.
can see more.
It's gonna be like, you know that my face is bigger and his face is even bigger. So the foreground, you know, take the whole space.
Yeah.
So we cannot see any background. So we needed this one. So next is Mamu, who is going to change his lens soon.
Yeah, I'm going to change my camera lens as well. This is the gimbal, a giant gimbal for this Canon EOS M50. Yeah.
You need to minute that.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Okay. Here we go. Okay guys, let's install this Gorilla Pod and the mic, and then let's get back to business. Alright guys, now I am recording this one with my new lens 1122. Alright, now let's see how awesome it looks. I am satisfied. Money well spent. Okay, the address is Computer Market, Dianaocheng, 5th floor and B6. Okay, Dianaocheng 5楼 B6. And what's your name? 你叫什么名字？
周告阳。
Okay, Mr. Zhou, you know, look at him very carefully. You should come here. If you're in Chengdu, you want to buy the camera stuff, come to this guy. This guy is good. Shindolai. Okay, you can trust him. I recommend him. We have got this one, SanDisk and 128 GB and U3 card. No. Let me see. This thing. Okay. I have to be a little rough for this one. Here we go. And here is the card. Actually, I want to get the Lexer one, but he doesn't have Lexer. So look at this one, 128 GB U3 SanDisk and Extreme.
他们应该是这样子的配的。
Okay, now let's check it out on the Mamu's camera. And here we go. Now let's see the menu. Here is the card. Format the card. You can see here there is 896 kilobyte used and 199 GB is available. So I'm going to format that one. Here we go, and it's ready to rock and roll. Now see, recording. Now it's 4K. Gonna be no problem at all. Let's see. And here is, oh no, sorry. Here is the result. Nice. Okay, good. Money well spent. Alright guys, we have already finished everything, done, bought the new lens, bought my new card, and got the card reader. He gave me 3 card readers. Cool. And now we are going downstairs and let's see, where is the elevator? We'll take the elevator directly and we will go down, okay? I already left my favorite place. You know, I used to make my evening footages in this small grocery store where it was quiet this time and always few people, but I don't know what had happened. They're playing the loud music, nice music, but the loud music, and a lot of people inside. So, you know, I just don't want to, you know, create a problem for those people who they're working in that grocery store. So I was talking about, you know, my old lens. The kit lens came with this camera was 1545, and it was always like this. So I wanted to have something, you know, like which that could give me a, you know, a lot of background, you know, information. So I searched a lot of lens, you know. So what was a suitable lens for this camera was this 11-22. Now the thing is, you can see I have, you know, a lot of information, you know, on my background. Right now I'm standing, you know, outside. You know, I put the camera on my bumper and I'm, you know, vlogging here. So this was the best thing I did for this one. So right now my setup is completed, guys. Now we are going to have a regular vlogs. Believe me, we are going to have a regular vlogs. And you know, once again, it's, let me see, what's the time now? It's 3 minutes past 11 o'clock, okay? And it was a busy day. It was really a busy day. I worked the whole day. I started working in the morning at 5 o'clock. Then now I'm still working. It's 4 minutes past 11. So what I'm doing is, before I was doing my real life job, now I'm doing a job for you people. I'm making a vlog. So what had happened, when you are tired, you need some, you know, caffeine. So I am, you know, taking some caffeine. And one more thing is that it's Ramadan. It's a month of Ramadan, so we fast the whole day. So I cannot have a lot of coffee. I have a coffee in the morning, you know, before the dawn, you know, the sahar time. No, yeah, sahar time. Now that after that I have another cup of coffee at the after time. So I didn't have at the after time, so right now I'm having this 1 cup of coffee. And you know, I'm really glad, you know, that I completed the setup of my vlogging, you know, camera. I have a Gorilla Pod, I have Rode, not wireless mic, I'm going to get that wireless small mic. I have, you know, micro mic over there, you know, and I have a vlogging camera, and I'm really happy for that, you know, that now we are going to have, you know, the best contents I could make. You know, I could make not best content. YouTube, you know, YouTube, they are full of masters. You know, I cannot compete them right now, but eventually, you know, we will be in a competition, but not today. No, 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 no. I do not have enough skills. I do not have enough time. I'm not a full-time YouTuber, you know. But eventually, yes, we will get there. You know, I will tell you why I started vlogging. But anyway, so thank you very much for watching. You know, I'm trying my best to make the best contents for you, you know, I can make. So I'm trying my best to make best contents for you guys. And I'm trying very hard, you know, to entertain you, my subscribers. I'm doing this one, you know, for you people. So, you know, hopefully, you know, that you like my efforts I'm putting on my vlogs. And if you are my subscribers and you're still watching, do not forget to like, okay, and comment below. All right, you have to tell me that, you know, in the comments, that how do you like my vlogs and how do you think of my improvements. Either I'm making improvements or you know, that I am going downwards. So you have to tell me. All right, and if you're new and you're still watching, you're not my subscribers, subscribe. All right, so when you subscribe and you hit the bell button, so what will happen, you will see my contents, you know, with the notification. You will be the first one, or you can be the first 10 or 20 people who can watch my vlogs. All right, now guys, thank you very much for watching my vlogs. Stay happy, stay awesome. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.